Check into your room at the historic Hotel Boulderado, located right in downtown. This jaw-droppingly stunning hotel was Boulder's first luxury hotel, built in the early 1900s back when horses and buggies roamed the town. Spend some time gawking at the elaborate stained glass ceiling in the lobby, still containing original stained glass that has been restored, and make sure you ride the tiny, old 1908 elevator to your room. Stay in a historic, Victorian-furnished room in the main wing, rather than a modern room. Ask for a room on the 4th floor with a good view of the mountains. All of the downtown action is right outside your door. After exploring the walking mall, stroll a few blocks south until you bump into the Boulder Creek Path. Walk, bike or even tube down the creek from the west side of town until you get to Central Park. Sometimes you'll find fun, free entertainment in the bandshell at the park. In the winter, this park is elaborately decorated with holiday lights. In the summer, on Saturday mornings and Wednesday evenings, Boulder's amazing farmers market pops up around here, filled with incredible local vendors and farm stands, with free samples, live music and great people watching. Grab lunch at the Dushanbe Tea House, one of the most architecturally stunning and colorful places you'll ever see. This intricately carved restaurant was made as a gift by Boulder's sister community, Dushanbe. Inside, you can sit in traditional Eastern tables, on pillows on the floor or in a Western table by a fountain. Outside, the tables in the garden are just as lovely. Lunch here, served 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., is adventurous and worldly but delicious. Tajik shish kebab served with cucumber yogurt, a Cuban sandwich with lapsang tea rubbed pork, a German-style bratwurst and Indonesian peanut noodles with spicy peanut sauce are a few of the diverse options. Make sure you try the house-made chai. After dining, wander your way to the Boulder Museum of Contemporary Art located next door. You won't regret popping in. This is one of the most interesting and esteemed art galleries and museums in the area. Bonus, entry is only $1.